Hi guys, AA Photography back again with another unboxing video. This time I'm going to unbox the DJI Mobile 7P. Now there is a reason why it's called the 7P. I'll explain that in another video when I do the full review. But let's see what this one comes with. So just like every DJI product, it comes with the pouch. And inside the pouch is all the accessories and of course the mobile gimbal itself. So yeah, this is the new version. I already did a unboxed version of last year's 6, and in this box we get the audio jack cable here. This connects with the mini microphone which I unboxed in the last video. So yeah, you get all the cables here and also this phone clamp. So the phone clamp that goes at the back of the phone itself. Now what makes this unique is it comes with a multi-function module. Now what the multi-functional module is, it can do different things, which I assume that's where it gets its name from. But this is the multi-functional module. So you can record audio into it. It's also got a built-in light. I will do a full review, and what makes this special is it comes with an inbuilt tripod at the bottom, but more about that when I do the full review. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, snap that, push that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.